teach them to own their behaviors, not blame others. You notice we've got this society of children that every time you call them out in their behavior, what do? He did this. He told me to do it. He did it first. She did it. Oh, you didn't say anything to her. Well, you know what? You ever been stopped out there on the highway and you want to say, well, they were all passing me. Why didn't you stop them first? It does not work in life. And that's what I keep saying to kids. I said, you know what? You did this. You hit John. But he did this and he did this and you hit him. He did this, he did that, and you hit him. Until he says to me, I hit John. That's where we stay. As soon as you say, I hit John, okay, we're good. I don't care about the other stuff. Administrators right now are really struggling with that because they've got to have 3 witnesses and documentation and all kinds of stuff from other kids. But it's disabling the child who really needs to own their behavior. You can't change your behavior unless you own it. You can't, it's not possible because you still think it's someone else's. So until you own it, you can't change it.